Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Radeon RX 6600 XT Gaming OC Pro 8G, and then hit enter. After that your motherboard, after that your graphic card search on this website. After that click on the product, then this is your graphic card, click on it. Then click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 7, 10, 11. So all operating system installations, process them, and media driver, version, size, and this is download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see it will take some time and depend about your internet speed. After that click on three dot and then click on download. Then it is completed, then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that this one, right click and run as administrator, otherwise show more and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that this is installing, it will take some time, and it is completed all driver, then restart your system.